Okay, this is the sleeping pod. We have the distilled water sitting on top of it to record the structure of the ice, and we'll take a look at it once it's frozen and it thaws out of the field pattern that's emitted from our powerful sleeping pods.
Okay, we're back. This is the ice test for our Orgonite sleeping pod. These are very popular with our customers, being the thickest of our products, about a good 16-17 millimeters tall, of pure powdered Orgonite that contains brass powder, steel powder, iron oxide, crystal powders, and shungite powder, all encased in an epoxy resin. This allows the absorption of high frequency fields that are coming from things like electropollution, dirty electricity, Wi-Fi, cell phone towers that come in and out of your home. These are the things that keep you up at night. These are the things that contribute to things like insomnia, and a lot of people are unable to get a good night's rest. But with the sleeping pod, these high frequency harmful fields are absorbed around the body and gives your body a barrier of protection, and you feel a sense of calm, and then you just want to fall into a deep sleep. We've gotten all kinds of reviews with this product from friends and family alike. So we decided to do an ice test on this. Now, while this was freezing, it broke our jar. So the standing field that comes off of this clearly expands the distilled water more than what we normally are used to seeing. So let's look at this crystal in the ice and see what's going on here. The first thing to observe is that if you look at the level here, this meniscus, you have a bulge all the way around, and this is all the way around the ice. I'm just going to spin the ice around. So you see that upwelling of pressure coming up as the ice was freezing. Also, if you look down here, there's kind of like this vortex convergence of bubbles pulling in towards the middle. These filaments are actually air bubbles. Let me zoom in and show you. See if we can get closer in there. You see these filaments? Now that's Orgone energy in action. This is how the field is being captured in the ice. It's kind of windy today. Oops. And these filaments converge towards the middle, and then we have this explosion pattern, and it almost looks like some kind of mushroom clouding up here, and gives you that huge dome. This is the highest we've seen in all of our products. And of the things that you can have on or around your body, this by far is the most powerful. So we do these ice tests on all of our products. If someone is selling you Orgonite or some kind of harmonizer, an ice test is a surefire way of getting an idea of the strength of the field that is being emitted from these passive ionizing devices. Now, this Orgone field, or what are called scalar or torsion fields, basically take the stray fields, harmful fields from the environment, and turn it into coherent energy, and that energy is in the form of these fields. And you can capture these fields in the ice. Now, we use distilled water because there aren't any minerals in distilled water. It's as pure as we can get it. And this is how we do it. And this is the field that comes off of this particular piece. A lot of structured water here. Look up the effects and the benefits of structured water. Orgonite does that passively. And how can you tell that there's structured water in this ice? Is the dense cloudy region are areas where the water has stored large amounts of energy. Also, you'll see a nesting of bubbles within bubbles as I spin this. Additionally, when the field is creating these filaments, as you can see, there's clearly structure there. There's this geometry going towards the middle. And so this vortex field is recording its information in the ice. And the ice ends up looking like some kind of crystal with a vortex in the middle. And all of that is nice structured water. I'm going to wait for this to melt, and I'm going to enjoy drinking this. But this is the ice test for our sleeping pods. They're thicker than our charge plates. They fit in the palm of your hand, so you can carry it. They're portable, so if you work a lot, if you're on the go and you're in places like in hotels you're not used to sleeping in and you need a good night's rest after a hard day's work, have one of these. You know, they're passive. You just have it resting on your body or near you on the bed, and you'll feel the difference. We sure have, and we have enjoyed having these around us to absorb the harmful effects of EMF in our environment. So that's basically the end of this ice test. By far one of the more powerful ice tests that we've done. Broken our glass here. And you can find more about the offers we have for our sleeping pod and other products at the store on ftwproject.com. And this is Tavan, and that's the end of this video. Bye for now.